Mina Deborah, counselor, minn dejjem xtaqt nagħti sem b'mod sħiħ f'dak li nagħmel fix-xogħol tiegħi b'hekk għażilt li nkun counselor. Tul ħajti il-fidi mexxitni ħafna, kienet importanti għalija u waslitni saw li hija xogħol li vera huwa l-qalbi ġifieri. Jiena u Joseph iltqajna f'2013, jiena kont il-leader tal-grupp Symphonic li kien parti minn ZHN. U Joseph kien il-leader tal-Eritrean Catholic Community u għamilna proġett ta' integration flimkien. U ħana bqajna integrated ever since.
Hi, my name is Joseph Kaleta. My origin is from Eritrea. I'm born in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. As you mentioned, we started like integration. They were from the Kalikara at that time. The first time we had meeting with Capuchin. Nowadays they call Flame, and we started working together as an integration to push with the Eritrean community. At that time, the Eritrean community, they were newcomer of 2013 and end of 2012. So, and me, I was already there like 11 years. So I started to show them how to integrate it in the community, the society, to understand the concept of entrepreneurship of the life of Malta, Europe. I know Malta when I was in Eritrea because you learn in the spiritual also, in Bible you learn also. Malta I came accidentally, to be honest. Yeah, it is accident. I tried 8 times. I crossed Sahara twice. It wasn't planned. My plan was I get scholarship when I was in Eritrea to do my master in South Africa. Because all my friends, they went. Then the government, they block us, they arrest us politically. That's why I escaped.
Jiena l-Pentekost dejjem ifakkarni li speċi ta' niftakar fid-doni tal-Ispirtu Santu li ċevejt fil-Griżma. U dejjem nirrifletti hekk x'inhuma u kif qed naħdem biex ma nitlifhomx u biex nrawwimhom. So dejjem ikun kull sena it's a moment of reflection għalija. At the end of the day, u issa speċjalment li żewwiġna ċ-ċirkostanzi ta' Joseph saru ċ-ċirkostanzi tiegħi. Ġifieri meta jkollu diffikultà ħabba d-dokumenti u dawn l-affarijiet, meta forsi għaddi minn xi preġudizzju jew xi tip ta' ġifieri dak huma mumenti fejn jiena nitlob u ngħid importanti li bħalissa nkun iktar għaqlija, mhux inħalli ta' finti l-emozzjoni ġrubija li dawn huma kollha doni tal-Ispirtu Santu nipprova nuża fi żwieġ tiegħi ma' Joseph ġifieri.
In my country, Christianity is really, I don't know how I'm going to explain. It's like someone when you give him a gift prize, here you want like materialistic things like cars or something. There's for them gift is give them the baptism of the Christianity. If I didn't have that fundamental or that root, I wouldn't be here as a moment and talking to you guys. I don't give up in my life. I never give up. That's I learned from my mother and my father. So I always keep going ahead.
Salam wa sanai, salam wa sanai, mis kulluhum yuhub. Salam, mis kulluhum. هذا سدرا ناي كويتاينا ناي كويتاينا ناي كويتاينا ناي كويتاينا ناي